Today I'm gonna carry out vibration motor performance test. Here is 220 input, direct current and power are 0, 1 amp and 30 watts respectively. I am able to open one side of cover. Now we can see adjustable eccentric block is connected and the rotor shaft is the nut. Both two sides are the same construct. The eccentric block is used to obtain the exciting force. The combination of the specific design motor and the eccentric block is enabled the motor to rotate, as we can see. In the eccentric block, the exciting force is transmitted to the vibrating machine through the motor. The vibrating motor only needs to adjust the external eccentric block to figure a certain angle with the internal eccentric block, so that the exciting force can be adjusted stability. The vibration motor can generate a different vibration trajectory according to the different installed combinations on the vibrating body, horizontal or vertical. Thereby, it can carry out various operations efficiently. I will put back the cover and start connecting the cable. Follow the circuit diagram. Let's move on to today's topic. This is the power switch with speed regulator. The range is from 1 to 7. In this experiment, I will use water to demonstrate the vibration force. Switch on the power supply. Let's see. Increase from 1 to 2. Noise is coming, but it's very less. Increase. We can see the water. Now it's fluctuating. Switch off the power supply. Thank you for watching.